So we heard that populations around the world are increasing. You know, the one speaker then yesterday morning talked about, you know, hundreds of millions of people living in 3 big cities. We got to be prepared for, you know, global populations to put real pressure on our food, on our soil, on our capability to produce. And of course, that capability is really pressured by both the quality of the soil we deal with and the precipitation events that we're dealing with as well. If we look at what's happening in the third world countries, those guys are in trouble. Like they're not doing the job that they need to do in order to supply the food for the billion people that their population has now reached. Let's look at some of the situations. For example, in China, looking at their capability to produce food and what's happening over there. These are recent pictures right off the internet. Sandstorms over there. This isn't from 1930s. This is March 2010. This is a snowstorm in Mongolia, or a sandstorm in Mongolia, where the soil is blowing like crazy, like what we saw in the 30s. So these guys have to get smartened up over there. They're going to be in bigger trouble than they are right now. And the thing is you can't just subsidize that with more fertilizer. Like there comes a time when soil quality has to stand on its own merit. If we also look at India and the Punjab area, which is their big wheat producing area, this is another recent slide off of there. It shows what's happened when the quality or the rainfall is bad. But the other thing happens equally as well. When they get torrential rainfall, they lose massive amounts of soil to erosion.